Impressive acceleration and fuel economy are hallmarks of the new hybrid version of the 2025 Honda Civic, one of many delightful features in the lineup. The sportier Civic Si also receives changes, while the base model is largely ignored. The 2025 Civic's non-hybrid model's powertrain has undergone some unappealing modifications, including the removal of the hatchback's manual transmission and the introduction of a new engine that is noticeably weaker than its predecessor. The primary motivation for replacing one 2.0-liter inline-four with another is to improve fuel economy. The new unit's reduced power and torque are a result of its operation on the more frugal Atkinson cycle. An additional 8 horsepower and 5 pound-feet of torque bring the total to 150 horsepower and 133 lb-ft, further depressing an already underpowered compact car. The more desirable hybrid system is reserved for higher trim levels, but it is the basic powertrain choice for LX and Sport. The figures corroborate the small reduction in output at our test track. The 2025 Civic Sport Sedan we drove reached 60 miles per hour in an unimpressive 8.9 seconds, which is 0.1 second slower than the almost identical 2022 Civic Sport Sedan we tested. On the ground, it doesn't seem like much of a decrease, but there are plenty of rivals that are faster. At least there's an advantage in terms of fuel economy. The enhanced engine achieves a 1 to 2 miles per gallon improvement across the board, according to the EPA's calculations. The standard LX sedan is now rated at 36 miles per gallon, and the Sport Sedan, like the one pictured below, is rated at 34 miles per gallon combined. Although it loses out on 1 mile per gallon in city driving and 1 mile per gallon on highway driving compared to the sedan, this powertrain is also offered with the Civic Sport hatchback, which has a combined rating of 34 miles per gallon. We can't say how the 2025 model stacks up against the previous model's 36 miles per gallon on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test just yet. There aren't many automobiles in this price range that can equal the combination of this package: driving pleasure, sophistication, space efficiency, and ease of use, even in its most basic form. The car's performance on our skid pad was identical to that of the previous Civic Sport, 0.87, while it required 180 feet to come to a stop from 70 miles per hour, which is 10 feet longer than the previous model. The tires were Goodyear Eagle Sport all season,